two dangerous sex positions, indicating that she is a bad girl. If you meet any woman and she recommends these two positions, run for your life and avoid such a woman entirely in your life. Such a woman is a bad woman. She is a professional. She has encountered many men. That is why she can endure the pains from these two sex positions. So any woman that recommends this sex position to you, please run for your life. But before I proceed on this video, I want to tell you that you are welcome. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to see this channel, join us by subscribing. Turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new video, it will get you notified of my new content. So let's proceed. If you encounter a woman, maybe you go to a bed with a woman and she recommends these sex positions, please run. That lady or that woman has encountered many men. That is why she can endure the pains coming from this position. That is why she has pleasure or she gets pleasure towards doing these positions. So any woman that recommends this sex position to you, bear in mind that she has done it over and over and over again, and this indicates that she has flirted with many men and she has done this severally. And as a good man, you don't deserve such a woman that have encountered many men. You know that when a woman has an encounter with many men, she can hardly respect. She cannot take care of the house. She can't give you what you want as a man because she has encountered many men. So I want to disclose these dangerous sex positions. If a woman recommends it to you, run for your life. That lady or woman is a bad woman. Now, number one is revised cowgirl position. Yes, revised cowgirl position. What is this position? It is a position when a man lies flat on the ground and the woman sits on top. This is a bad position and this leads to proper penetration. So if a woman can endure this penetration or these pains from this position or style, she is a professional. So avoid such a woman. She has encountered many men and this is a sign that she is a bad woman. She can never respect you. Number two and the last, which is very important to take note of if a woman recommends it to you, is wheelbarrow sex position. Yes, what is a wheelbarrow sex position? It is a position when a woman lies on the floor, facing the floor, and bring up her waist so that you as a man will go from the back. This is a position for the professionals. So if a woman recommends this position to you, please bear in mind that she is a bad woman and she is a professional. Such a woman can hardly respect you in case if you do something that infuriates her, if you make her angry, she can't tolerate because she has done this with many men, and this is a sign that she is a bad woman. And this is what I want to disclose in this video. Please, if you get value, join this channel by hitting the like button to support us or to support me creating this content. Subscribe to become a member of this channel. If you have questions or comments, drop it down in the comment section. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think. I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.